Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a fabulous Diwali. I know it's a long time no see kind of situation here, but I promise you I'll be more frequent here from now on. So today I'm going to show you how to make porridge with Sattu mix. Sattu mix is nothing but a porridge powder primarily made with roasted chickpeas, but you can find different varieties of Sattu mix in the Indian groceries. Some made with millets, some made with nuts, and there are different varieties. You can use the one that is readily available. I'm using the store-bought mix and it is primarily made with roasted chickpeas. In a saucepan, I'm first going to add the Sattu flour mix. It's 4 tablespoons of the Sattu mix. Here I have 4 teaspoons of coconut sugar. I'm just going with coconut sugar today, but you can use regular sugar, raw sugar, or any sweetener of your choice. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. It is 240 ml. Mix this without any lumps now. I know this is a very basic recipe, but when I shared it on my Instagram, many asked for the recipe. So I thought of making a video and sharing it with you all. I have mixed the porridge thoroughly. Now I am going to simmer this over medium heat. So as I mentioned before, simmer this over medium heat. Mix in between so that there aren't any lumps. As it simmers, the mixture or the porridge will thicken, and I'll show you how it looks when it thickens. Just stir in between like this. You can mix Sattu powder directly to lukewarm water or milk and add sugar and relish it as is. But I personally prefer making it in this way, more like porridge. In Tamil we call it as kanji. I make it just like any other porridge, like ragi porridge or sattu maavu kanji. I personally love smoothies and porridges for my breakfast, and this Sattu porridge is my absolute favorite recipe. These porridges are far better than the sugary packaged drinks. And coming to the measurements, there is no set measure for this porridge. You can adjust the Sattu mix or milk or sugar according to your preference. I haven't tried this with vegan milk, but I'm sure almond milk or cashew milk will be a great substitute. Please do let me know if you try this porridge with vegan milk. As you can see, the porridge is starting to thicken. It didn't even take 3 minutes. As soon as the bubble begins to form, add the milk. I'm using reduced fat milk here. It's the 2% one, and I'm adding 300 ml or 1 1/4 cup of milk. After adding milk, simmer it for a minute or 2, and that's it. The porridge is ready. Hope you all liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts and feedback. And if you try this porridge recipe with vegan milk, please do let me know what kind of vegan milk you used in the comments so others can also benefit. And I'll see you all next week with a new recipe. Thank you and bye.